have a great video, right? What are we going to do?
Make a Thanksgiving turkey. Thanksgiving tree.
Exactly. The items that we need to craft this turkey is a pine cone for the body. Alright, then we have googly eyes. We have the little piece that hangs from the turkey's beak. We have the soft feathers here, foam feathers, and we have the pipe cleaners. And this will be the neck and head of the turkey. And then we have some beads and buttons here to decorate our turkey. Alright, and then hot glue to help adhese everything together. Alright, you ready? Alright.
I don't see the buttons on the list. The buttons on.
Yes, that's what I included. So this item I purchased from Amazon, and so it consists of everything you see here except for the buttons and the beads. Okay. Also, it comes in a pack of 4, so you can do it as a group. And yeah, so we're using 2 right now to show you guys our craft. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. All right. So here's your pipe cleaner. So let's go ahead and make the neck of the turkey by twisting the 2 pipe cleaners together, like so. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Twist it together. And then I'm going to fold it in half and continue twisting. Okay. Here we go. Add some glue to it.
Are you guinea pig? We're trying to show a video. Don't mess up our video.
Okay, there you go. Alright, let's add the little piece that hangs from the turkey's face. That's how it's looking.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yellow.
Okay, now I'm going to use the foam feathers, and these stick pretty well without the hot
Also,
glue.
this sticks on
Yeah.
the used ones.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, so go ahead and get started. Alright, so while we craft our turkey, let's have a conversation. So Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and so for me and my family, we're going to stay in our hometown, and I'm going to do the traditional. We are pescatarians, so that means we are a family who are vegetarian, but we only consume protein like fish, which we always eat tilapia, shrimp, lobster, and crab. So the dishes that I'll make tomorrow will consist of each 4 of those types of protein. Alright, and little man supposed to help me cook tonight, start tonight, right?
Right.
Yes.
And when we're doing that, you should click on the subscribe button.
Yes,
and
please
also
subscribe.
avoid the like buttons.
Okay. Alright, so let me continue speaking. So, so my favorite thing to eat is the lobster.
Yeah.
And so tomorrow our main meal or our main centerpiece will be the lobster. And then I will do like rice. I'm going to do regular rice, white rice. Tony and I have done a white rice. And then I have to make sure he has a seaweed. Because the seaweed, he literally eats it every day.
And also, I make sushi.
Sushi. So we're going to have some sauteed shrimp, and we're going to have some sauteed, well actually with the crab meat, I decided this year I'm going to do the mac and cheese, the crab mac and cheese. Last year we had lobster, and then we also had crab, and just opened up so many, the shells, like, no, that's too much. So this year we're just going to stick to the lobster.
Too much.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to add in my soft feathers now. Try to keep my conversation at minimum. My son tells me I talk too much in the videos, but I think right now, as we're crafting, it only makes sense to talk, right? Okay, so you finished. Are you going to add some more pieces to it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to add some colorful beads to my turkey's tail. Add the glue, and you're going to place that googly eye. Go ahead.
I think I'm going to put it right here and also right here.
Okay, so right here and then there. Okay, so you're going to place it carefully. Okay, move your hands so you won't burn yourself. Okay, good. Awesome. Okay, then your turkey, hold it up. Ooh. And this is my turkey. Nice. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Alright, cool. So we're going to place this here. Alright, so let's move on to our second craft. Sit back, please. Alright, so this is a Thanksgiving Day tree. Alright, so I ordered this one online as well from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 4 too. And then in each tree bag, it consists of, I think about 15 to 16 leaves. Alright, and so it's easy to put together. It comes like this. And you just slide it in, cross, and place. Alright, so I already started the tree. So I put what I am thankful for. And so I think this is a great centerpiece for your table where you can go around and talk about what you're thankful for and place it on the tree. Right now, if this is going to be on our table, we're not going to have hot glue gun on the table, of course. So I recommend like a paper clip, or like I'm thinking about doing is just going ahead and glue. And then because it comes apart like this, each leaf will be flat, and you can just pass the tree around and just write down your little note or your word, what you're thankful for, as so. I would want to put what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for my family that consists of my son, my husband, my mom, my siblings, my cousins. I'm very thankful. Hey, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family.
Your family? What else?
For my
Food, yes. Okay, write the word. Alright, sorry about that. So it looks like the camera battery is about to shut off, so I'm going to be quick. Alright, so my son added food to the tree here. He spelled it. Good job. Alright, and so there's many more things that we're thankful for. We're going to hold off on adding more leaves, and we're going to complete this tomorrow at the table with the rest of the family. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving. I want to give thanks to God, the Most High, who sits high and looks low, for the many blessings that He has given my family.
Happy Thanksgiving!